In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix startup crash on MW3 Error 0x00001338 parentheses 11960 parentheses n. Now, the first thing I recommend you doing is open Steam and you want to find your game. So I will do this for Brawlhalla. You can follow the same steps for MW3 for the Call of Duty game. So you can just right click on Call of Duty and then you want to click on properties. Now here you want to click on installed files and you want to click verify integrity of game files. So you want to do this for the Modern Warfare game. And once you do this, you can go here and close this down. Now you want to go to Steam and go to settings here. So here you want to go to downloads. Down here you want to click clear cache. So clearing cache can help fix some of these bugs. So once you do this, you can close this down and see if this fixes the issue. However, if you're still having issues, then I recommend trying to uninstall Modern Warfare completely and just reinstalling it. So try to completely uninstall Call of Duty and reinstall it. So you can do this by basically going to either Steam and doing this manually. Just right click on Call of Duty, then go to manage, and here you'll see uninstall, and this will uninstall it, and after that reinstall it, and hopefully this fixes your issue.